So I went for a walk on a nice day around the seafront, which is lovely little view. It's a little bit cloudy, but it's very sunny for England. It's a bit windy. And then you just see me walking along the seafront, seeing everything, doing everything. As you can see, my hair needs done, so I will be doing that in this video. It's one of my eyes, that's when one eye's closed. And then we went to Burger King. I had a Whopper, chips, as you can see, onion rings. Delicious. Just gonna munch on my chips, which I prefer these chips, but I prefer the burgers more than McDonald's. That's my personal preference. This is me dyeing my hair. So I'm just putting colour in my roots and dyeing it. It's a different colour of ginger. It's a brighter ginger and I quite like it once it's done. So this is my shower cap to hold my hair as it dyes, and while I'm doing that I whiten my teeth. So I think it worked very well. I've been keeping up with my teeth whitening and I have to say my teeth have got a lot better. I'm doing this at home, saving myself money. And then I made myself lunch. Different day. This is what my hair turned out to be. A bright colour of ginger, which I love, a darker colour. Very proud of my hair as I am waiting for the bus. As I am going somewhere. I can't remember where I was going, but I was going somewhere. And then I went, that's it. I went out with my friend, Ola, having lunch. My sushi was beautiful. I made jelly first time ever. 1930s glass dish I got. Jelly dish. Turned out really well. I'll show you a video of that. And then me just hanging out, some washing. It's a lovely windy day outside. So in England we don't really do tumble dryers. We hang everything out in the washing line. As it's cheaper, it's quicker, and it's just overall easier. So I'm just washing all my clothes. I got a new peg bag and I'm using my little washing basket. So that's where I'm picking up all my clothes from. Just hanging out all my things. Listen to a podcast as I do it. That's why I'm always wearing my headphones. So that's all good. A room outside, so now I'm putting some up on my clothes horse on my radiator, and I've got the dehumidifier out to help dry my clothes. It just sucks in all the moisture in the air, so my clothes dry quicker, which I do love. That's what I'm doing. I've got the thing that hangs from my curtain pole that also I can put clothes on. So that's what I am doing. So it's just underwear and things like that go on the hanging thing, and socks. I've got quite a few things of socks. So that's what I'm all hanging up. My support stockings, my stitch socks, my underwear. So everything really. Going to work, my teeth whitening turned out well. Right, and then I had a snack from a bakery, that was lovely. And the next day I had a crisp sandwich, best thing ever. This morning I had cheese on toast, and then drummed off a bunch of stuff I've invented. Thank you all for watching my little vlog.